Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light bulbs in a 2006 to 2010 Mercury Mountaineer. There's no covers under the bumper, so you can have easy access. Just push down the tab and unplug it. Then just turn it counterclockwise and then pull it straight out. You might need to wiggle it a bit. Get your new bulb. Be careful not to touch the glass with your fingers because your skin's oils will make it burn out prematurely. Then insert it into the housing, turn it clockwise, and then plug it in. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.